All right, so as I said, I quickly copied this and then I ran pip install to install it. Then I came back to run the Alembic revision auto generate hyphen n table creation again. I think in the course of the running, it's through another failure, which means target database is not up to date. And I think I need to run another command. So I'll quickly run that command. This command, this command, Alembic stamp head, will now set our current table in the DB to what to the Alembic that we have right now. So Alembic is not aware of the database that we have and the tables inside the database. But with this command, it will like go back and then look at the tables or look at the database that we have and check if there's any table and take note of it. Then we can now run our Alembic table generation successfully. Yes. So in the course of the creation, it creates another error. So let me look at my model and then we'll fix this.